So in 2025, if you are serious about building a personal brand, landing clients, growing your career, or just being seen, then you need to get a smarter way to get the actual attention, right? This video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your engagement strategy, whether you are coach, content creator, freelancer, or in corporate, and how to engage in a way that gets you noticed without being fake or weird. So engagement strategy, and this is Dream 100, and I have created this strategy based on what works best. So engagement strategy Dream 100, and this is a concept introduced by Russell Brunson, and basically it's like based on the saying that you are the average of 5 people you surround yourself with. So on online, we are going to surround ourselves with the 100 people that we want to be with. We want to be like. So first thing you need to do is create a list of 100 people you want to connect with, you want to build relationship with. And these are the numbers I recommend. 20 creators from other niche that you admire, 30 your ideal connection, like ideal client persona, ideal clients, 20 industry experts, and 30 competitors. Make this list and then engage with around 15 to 25 people daily. But do not use like AI or something for commenting, or do not comment just anything generic. Like actually talk to them, have conversation, like make friends, because obviously the kind of relationship you will build will be the kind of opportunities you will receive. It's like that. And by the way, you can update this list monthly or quarterly, however you feel. I do it monthly. You don't have to create like a totally new list. You can add few people in there, you can remove few people from there. So yeah, if you are in corporate, then this list will look a little different for you, right? I have added like 20 thought leaders in your industry. You can add some of the founders of the dream companies you want to work with, or CEOs. You can add that. 20 senior professionals, right? 20 peers, or then recruiters, and then 20 influential alumni from your previous company, college, if you have. Otherwise, like, you can leave this totally, right? You can add some people from the other categories, but make sure that you have list of 100 people, right? And then you engage with around 15 to 25 daily, and like make friends. This is very important. Build actual relationship, right? So to wrap it up, stop trying to hack the algorithm and start building the real relationship online. A Dream 100 list keeps you like focused and intentional with your comments, and that's where the trust starts, right? So if you're serious about building a personal brand that not only grows your visibility but also helps you monetize your skills, your story, your expertise, then I am inviting you to 30 days personal branding sprint. It's a one-to-one container, and we'll work together to build a strong content system that fits your routine and that is sustainable for you. Also, optimize your profile and bio for your goals. Unlock new content formats that feels natural to you and not forced. And also build a visibility in your industry, in your niche, without like trying to go viral, and explore like monetization ideas based on your skills, your strength, your expertise, right? And obviously, you will get direct access to me, weekly action steps, feedbacks, mindset support, so that you can show up confidently and consistently. Check out the link in the description to get started.